Spa teacher and learners. We are gathered here this morning to celebrate our Christmas party given to us by Spa Dundee. It is indeed an honor and a blessing for us that Spa always make our dreams a reality. We know that Spa staff are caring, friendly, and always have a super Spa smile. We want to thank Spa from the bottom of our hearts for their kindness. You have touched a special place in our hearts and will always be remembered for caring, sharing, and giving. Keep it up for doing good. May you always grow from strength to strength. Thank you, Spa. We love you and God bless. I thank you. Please, everyone, stand up and join me in the special salute. We salute to Spa. Viva Spa, viva!
Viva!
Long live Spa, long live!
Long live!
Viva Charlie Super Spa, viva!
Viva!
Long live Charlie Super Spa, long live!
Long live!
Long live Charlie Super Spa, long live!
Long live!
Long live! Long live!
Long live!
Long live!
Long live!
Yeah, c'est bon.